Have you ever just known someone was watching you? Even when you hadn't seen them? You turn your head, and there they are, looking right at you. That's not just your imagination. At least, that's what most people think. In fact, over 9 out of 10 people say they've felt it before. That eerie sensation of being stared at. But here's the question. Can humans really sense when they're being watched? Or is your brain just pulling a fast one? Let's find out. The science of attention and awareness. To understand this strange feeling, we first have to talk about how your brain takes in the world. Right now, your eyes are picking up way more than you realize. Only a tiny slice of your vision is actually in focus. The rest? It's all peripheral. But even that blurred zone is powerful. Your brain is constantly scanning for motion, color shifts, and light. It's built to notice patterns, especially human ones. There's a term for this: covert attention. It means your brain can notice something without you looking at it directly. Add in mirror neurons, those special brain cells that help you understand others' intentions. And suddenly, your brain isn't just observing, it's anticipating. In other words, you're not just seeing the world, you're reading it, even when you don't know you are. The experiments that tried to prove it. So, has anyone ever tested this? Actually, yes. And it's a wild story. One of the most famous researchers on this topic is Rupert Sheldrake. He ran hundreds of trials where people had to guess if someone was watching them, from behind a window or through a camera. And his results? They seemed to show that people could sense it, more often than chance. But here's where things get tricky. Other scientists tried to replicate those results, and most of them failed. Many experiments were criticized for poor controls, biases, and the fact that knowing you're being tested can actually change your behavior. Psychologists call it the observer effect. Just being in an experiment changes how you act. So the question remains, was it real, or were the tests flawed? We'll let you decide. Why your brain wants it to be true. Let's zoom out for a second. Why do so many people believe in this feeling? What makes it so convincing? One answer lies deep in your brain: the threat detection system. Your ancestors lived in a world full of danger, predators, enemies, ambushes. If you didn't sense a pair of eyes on you, you could die. So your brain evolved to be paranoid, to overreact to patterns, to assume someone might be watching. And when you guess right, boom, your brain rewards you. You remember it. But when you're wrong, you just forget it ever happened. That's called confirmation bias. We notice what we want to see, and we ignore what doesn't fit the story. Your brain is great at detecting real threats, but it's also great at making them up. Try it yourself. The watch test. Want to see if you've got the sixth sense? Grab a friend. Here's how to do a simple test at home. Have your friend stand behind you. Eyes closed, back turned, then have them either 1. Stare directly at you, or 2. Look away completely. They'll switch randomly every few seconds. Your job. Say when you think you're being watched. Write it down. After 20 tries, check the score. Now here's the twist. Most people do slightly better than chance, but only slightly. Why? Because once again, your brain is guessing. And sometimes it just gets lucky. But that doesn't stop the feeling from feeling real. The myth that refuses to die. So why does this idea stick around? For one, it shows up everywhere in culture. In movies, in horror stories, in personal experience. We've been taught that sensing eyes is a kind of superpower, like intuition, or a sixth sense. And honestly, it feels powerful. It makes you feel connected, important, aware. Even if science says otherwise. Truth versus myth, and why it matters. So, can humans really sense when they're being watched? The answer? Not reliably. But your brain? It's a storytelling machine, and it loves a mystery. Whether it's fact or fiction, your mind is always trying to make sense of the world. And sometimes, that sense is just a feeling. If you love peeling back the layers of truth and myth, hit that like button, subscribe, and tell us what mystery we should explore next.